In this video, we're going to be looking at error messages in Excel. Alright, so let's go. So the error messages are a bit of a problem, and here are the error messages. Okay, so the first error message is a couple of hashtags, which means that your cell size is too small to display the result or the value. And then we have hashtag n by a, which means that it's not available. Whatever you are wanting from a formula that is not available, you'll understand better with an example by the end of this video. And then next we have hashtag div by 0. That means if you divide something by 0, a result by 0, this is going to be the message that is going to be shown. And then we have hashtag name, which means that Excel does not, as I have said before, Excel does not recognize text in a formula. So if you give the equal sign and write something there, for example, if I write my name there and then hit enter, this is the message that is going to be displayed. And then we have our hashtag reference and then the exclamation mark, which means when a reference cell is not valid. And then hashtag value exclamation mark. This just means that you have messed up your formula, man. Alright, and here is the definition. Here you can read it, or let me just read it for you. The types of arguments used in the function are wrong. The arguments can be numerical value, text, name, level, reference cell, cell range, and function. Alright, so that was all for the presentation. Now we're going to be seeing some examples to understand a bit better. So here we are in Excel, and now you can see the error message hashtag. So in this cell, I wanted the multiplication of B3 and B4. So the value is too big for the cell size here. That's why it is showing these hashtags. And now if I just increase the size of my cell as much as I increase it, you'll see it will show us the value better. Let's just go to home and make it a number. Okay. As you can see, I need to make a bit bigger. Alright, so that was the error message of hashtags. Now you know why that shows. Alright, then n by a not available. So the last video we had seen the lookup formula, right? So here is the lookup formula, and in the lookup formula, if I just increase the size here, there we go. Here in the lookup formula, I want to look up the cells in this row, in this column here, and then I want to look up the value of f. If the value of f shows up, then a will be displayed, but there is no value such as f. Alright, there are numerical values here, there is no text value. That's why when I hit enter to this formula, it shows n by a, meaning it is not finding any results as you have requested it to find. And then we have divisible by 0. So when I had this, have this value, I just divided it with 0. As you can see here, D3 divided by 0. When you divide something by 0, this message will show up, hashtag divisible by 0. Then here we have our hashtag name and then question mark. So instead of formula, I had written FDRFV, and it is showing hashtag name. That is meaning that this is not a legit formula. You have just written some text here. Alright, so let's just do this one again with my name. Let's see if there's a formula in my name. Alright, here's my name and hit enter, and then no, Excel does not have a formula with my name. That is very sad. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. I hope you got to learn something new. If you have found the video to be useful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel, as it will enable me to make more videos like this one. Thank you.